I wanna be a billionaire.
Oh, hey, Candy. I'm playing a really important game. So if you could just keep it down. Thank you. A what? A what? What am I? What am I, Candy? A cheeser! Is that what I am? A cheeser? Huh? A cheeser! You know what, Candy? We've been over this so many times. If you call me a freaking Oh! I am! Huh? You freaking half-demented lemur! It just tears me up every time you just... Where the crap did you get a controller? This makes me happy. Just to know that you... Where did you get a cookie from? You see this? This is called a cookie. This is what humans eat. And I'm a human. Candy, just put the knife down. Candy, just put the knife down. Candy, just put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down! Don't be no hero! You better not be a hero! No one needs a hero! This is my cookie! I paid for this crap! It's mine! It's mine! Ah! Now push the knife towards me. Good. Now you're just... You're just about to make me laugh. It's... You're just... You're... It's... You're just so funny. Oh, you and your little paws and oh, you. Candy, I got you something. It's a dog cookie. It's exactly like a human cookie, but it's for dogs. What? Call me a cheeser one more time! Come here, Candy! Come here! No, Mitzi, not you. You mean... Mitzi, not you!